In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the trend function in Microsoft Excel. The trend function is used to project values based on existing data for trending calculations. And what better way to do it? Super Bowl 54, Kansas City Chiefs versus San Francisco 49ers. What I did was I just took the final team scores from the season, and we're going to use that as a prediction for the total score for the Super Bowl. And how we do that to do the formula is sit on a cell, type in equal, trend, parenthesis, and then highlight your data and hit enter. Gave us 30. Let's do the next one. Equals, trend, parenthesis, highlight your data, enter. Gave us another 30. Who knows? Could be a tie going into overtime. But remember, this is just a projection, and we're not saying this is what the score is going to be. And you can apply this trend function to any type of data. As always, give us a like, subscribe, and visit us on the web at graycomconsulting.com. Thank you.